Nature has already solved a lot of problems that robotics and mechatronics engineers are puzzling over, so many of them have turned to biology in search of inspiration or even included living systems in robots. However, the attempts of reproduction of the performance of mechanical muscles and the ability of biological systems to feed themselves on their own faces so-called bottlenecks. Those fields of developments have already seen significant progress, but their strength and efficiency require improvements, and thus, studying animals helps us to learn the secrets of nature. There's still much more that needs to be done, so let's talk about it with our researchers and take a look at how they can possibly solve pressing issues by using properties of their object of the study, sharks. Please meet our special research team, Sibekina Tatiana and Shishkin Anton.
Thank you for the introduction, Denise. Every explanation must start with the basics. So, shark's special anatomy begins with the skin. It is made up of dermal denticles. These minuscule plascoid scales are similar to teeth. This helps the sharks swim efficiently by forming vortices and whirlpools behind fins. Those scales also form a barrier of protection.
Also, you may have noticed that the bodies of sharks are typically rounded and tapered at both ends. This type of shape causes them to have what is called a fusiform body. This body shape is exceedingly helpful because it minimizes drag and it enables sharks to swim efficiently while using the least amount of energy possible.
This led us to a conclusion that using those features can greatly improve mobility and movement speed of robots, settling two of the most pressing issues of robotics and mechatronics.
Another astonishing property of sharks is their skeletons. Like racing skates, sharks fall into a subclass of fish called elasmobranchi. Species in this subclass have skeletons made from cartilage, not bone. It makes them flexible and makes them weigh less, but they still have a very sturdy carcass.
By following such a clever design, it is possible to solve problems that may arise when crafting marine robots, as it would be possible to make them have the same properties.
That sure sounds promising for the field of mechatronic studies.
Lastly, another peculiar attribute of sharks is their special liver. It has two purposes. Mainly, it acts as a storage of energy, and additionally, the liver actually keeps the shark from sinking. Because the liver stores oils that are lighter than water, the density of the shark's body is lighter, thus supplying the needed buoyancy for the shark.
I'm guessing this can be used to tackle with the issues of current builds by making some parts have multiple purposes, thus making overall sizes of products smaller?
You're absolutely correct.
As you can see, engineers have found their sources of inspiration. The new direction discovered will lead us to unexpected and fascinating engineering solutions we've never seen before. Thank you, research team. Kaluga branch of Bauman Moscow State Technical University. End of special report.